Hey, it's Luana and I'm here to show you the young adults gotta cook. In today's episode, we're gonna be making Lomi Salmon. It's a very popular side dish that you'll find at luau's in Hawaii. So without further ado, let's get started. You'll need kosher salt, salmon, Roma tomatoes, a shiny sweet onion, just kidding, not shiny, and green onions. First, we're gonna start off by curing our salmon, making sure the entire piece is coated with kosher salt. Then cover it with saran wrap and store in your fridge overnight. The next step is to small dice your tomatoes. Then thinly slice the tops of your green onions. The next step is to peel and small dice your sweet onion. I have a different method in the way I cut mine, and if you do too, just try whatever way feels comfortable for you. After about 24 hours, the flesh of the salmon should have firmed up a bit. What you're going to want to do is to rinse off all the salt and remove the skin from the salmon. Once you finish, small dice the salmon and add it to your bowl. Give the bowl a good mix, making sure all the ingredients are well incorporated, and there you have it, Lomi Salmon. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for next week's episode because we're going to be resuming our plate lunch series and we'll be making chicken katsu. Aloha, and I'll see you next Friday.